Lean manufacturing is a systematic approach to minimizing waste without sacrificing productivity. Imagine a bakery. Instead of baking all types of bread at once, the baker focuses on one type at a time. By doing so, the baker reduces the time spent switching between recipes, minimizes the ingredients that go to waste, and ensures each loaf is fresh and perfectly crafted. This is the essence of lean manufacturing, streamlining processes to create value. By identifying and eliminating non-value-adding activities, businesses can enhance efficiency and improve quality. For example, in a car manufacturing plant, instead of having parts scattered across the floor, lean principles encourage organizing tools and materials close to the assembly line. This reduces movement and saves time. Lean manufacturing not only boosts productivity, but also fosters a culture of continuous improvement, empowering employees to contribute ideas that enhance processes. Ultimately, it leads to happier customers and a more profitable business.